me, but I still need to represent you well. So that when people see me, they will know that, yes, this man in her life is taking care of her, no matter no matter his condition. And I'm sure you don't want me to fall into the temptation of other men. Because if I lack money so much and then one other man on the other side offers me money, and I might just accept it, thinking it's just a gift and not knowing it's a temptation. And I don't want to expose myself to such thing. Baby, come on. At least say something. Baby, give me the money now, please. Give me the...
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.